Introducing the classic 1956 Ford Custom line, a true gem for car enthusiasts. Priced at just $7,500, this coupe features a powerful V8 engine and an automatic transmission, making it a fantastic candidate for restoration or customization. With only 1,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle is in overall good condition, though it does need some paint work and a rear deck lid. The interior is like new, adding to its charm. Located in San Carlos, this car is a local treasure with black plates and is registered through 2026. Don't miss the chance to pick your colors before it heads to the paint shop next week. For more details, visit the link in the description. Looking for a classic project truck? Check out this 1956 Ford F100 short bed, offered for $6,000 in Sparks, Nevada. This truck is a real restoration project with some solid potential. It's a roller, missing the engine and transmission, but it's set up for a small block Ford engine and automatic transmission. The truck features an old-school Mustang rear axle and has some typical rust in the cab. The truck comes with all glass, and the paint color is brown. With a clean title and 100,000 miles on the odometer, this F100 is ideal for someone who's ready to restore a piece of history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Presenting the 1957 Chrysler Windsor, a classic gem now available for just $5,500 in Albuquerque, New Mexico. This one-owner car has spent its life in the dry climate of New Mexico, meaning it has minimal rust. With just 96,000 miles on the odometer, this car is a fantastic candidate for restoration. The motor has been rebuilt, and the seats were recently redone. It starts and runs, but a little work is needed to make it roadworthy. This car comes with the original purchase sheet and other neat historical items. If you're a collector or someone who appreciates vintage vehicles, this Windsor offers great restoration potential. Don't miss your chance to own this piece of history. Visit the link in the description for more details and to make this beauty yours today. Welcome to a classic gem. Presenting the 1959 Ford Custom 300, a true piece of automotive history. Priced at just $3,000, this sedan is located in Cannon, Georgia. With a robust 6-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, it offers a driving experience that's both nostalgic and engaging. The odometer reads 84,488 miles, showcasing its potential for restoration. While it runs and moves, it does need some work, particularly on the brakes. This car is perfect for enthusiasts looking to restore a classic or for someone interested in a trade for a nice 30-foot camper or a running small truck. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, visit the link in the description. Are you a classic car enthusiast looking for a unique project? Check out this 1956 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, available for just $3,500 in Denver, Colorado. This beauty features a clean title and has an odometer reading of 123,456 miles. It comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gas. The seller has recently installed new brakes and a new gas tank, and the floor rust has been repaired. With all glass intact except for the driver door, this car boasts a cool patina that adds to its charm. It's set up for a 429/T400 engine, which is being sold separately. This Cadillac is not just a car, it's a piece of history with great restoration potential. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, visit the link in the description. Looking for a unique restoration project? Check out this 1957 International Harvester S 131-ton pickup with a hydraulic bed. Priced at just $3,100, it's a steal compared to its not-a-classic car value of $9,100. Located in Union Star, Missouri, This truck boasts a clean title and just 5,291 miles on the odometer. Powered by a gas engine and manual transmission, it's perfect for someone ready to restore or showcase it as a parade truck. Needs some repairs including a water pump rebuild, brakes, and tires, but the potential is huge. This classic truck is ready for a second life. Visit the link in the description for more details. Looking for a classic car with great restoration potential? Check out this 1957 Chevy Bel Air 2-door hardtop, available for $10,000 in Marysville, Washington. This car is in good condition with a clean title and only 12,345 miles on the odometer. It features a refurbished frame, suspension, and complete bodywork, with minor surface rust and small holes in the back seat and trunk area. Comes with replacement metal, front and rear seats, all the glass, and an extra hood. A rebuilt 5.3 LS engine and 4L60E transmission are also available for an additional cost. This Bel Air is perfect for someone looking to restore a true classic. For more details, check the link in the description. Welcome to the Classic Car Enthusiast Stream. Presenting the 1958 Cadillac Eldorado, a true gem waiting for restoration. Priced at just $8,900, this coupe is located in Paris, California. With its 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, this car offers both power and ease of driving. The odometer reads a mere 1,958 miles, making it a rare find. This vehicle comes with a clean title and features custom paint, new tires, and Sabre wheels. It's perfect for builders and custom enthusiasts alike. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Are you ready to own a piece of automotive history? Check out this stunning 1958 Ford F-100, now mounted on a 1994 F-150 chassis. Priced at just $8,000, this classic pickup is located in Sandown, New Hampshire. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 351 V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and four-wheel drive, making it perfect for both cruising and off-road adventures. With only 1,000 miles on the odometer since the transformation, this truck is in good condition and ready for you to enjoy. It features power steering, power disc brakes, and a real patina that adds to its charm. This vehicle has been meticulously restored, ensuring everything works perfectly. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a classic that's both functional and stylish. For more details and to see it in action, visit the link in the description. Welcome to the Classic Car Enthusiast Stream. Presenting the 1959 Austin-Healey Bug-Eye Sprite, a charming convertible that captures the essence of vintage motoring. Priced at just $10,000, this beauty is located in Santa Cruz, California. With a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it offers an engaging driving experience. The odometer reads only 27,000 miles, showcasing its potential for restoration or enjoyment as is. This car has been in the family since 1978, adding to its historical value. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, visit the link in the description. Here's a rare find for classic car enthusiasts, a 1960 Dodge Phoenix, priced at $3,500 in Manchaca, Texas. This vintage sedan features a factory 318 CI engine, push-button transmission, factory AC, and power steering. The car is in fair condition with a unique patina, ideal for restoration or a custom rat rod project. While it needs floorboard repairs and some trunk floor work, it's mostly complete, aside from a missing door panel and air cleaner. The engine runs with gasoline poured into the carburetor but has not been driven in years, so it will require a trailer for transport. The title is signed by the wife, but a bill of sale will be provided. With its distinctive Mopar styling and historical value, this Phoenix is a great opportunity for enthusiasts. Visit the link in the description for more details. Welcome to a classic gem. Presenting the 1960 International B140, a project truck that's perfect for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Priced at just $4,500, this pickup is located in beautiful Bend, Oregon. With a robust 6-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, it offers a true driving experience. The odometer reads 1,234 miles, and it features a striking blue paint color. This truck is in fair condition, making it an excellent candidate for restoration. Imagine the stories this vehicle could tell. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Welcome to the classic car enthusiast's dream. Presenting the 1960 MGA 1600 Roadster, a stunning example of British automotive history. Priced at just $7,000, this beauty is located in Colorado Springs, Colorado. With only 1,000 miles on the odometer, it features a vibrant red exterior paired with a sleek black interior. The original 1600 engine is in need of a rebuild, but the potential for restoration is immense. This rust-free car boasts a clean title and a straight body, making it a fantastic project for any classic car lover. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Welcome to the Classic Car Showcase. Today we have a stunning 1960 Buick LeSabre, a true gem for any car enthusiast. Priced at just $4,500, this beauty is located in Santa Fe, New Mexico. With only 59 miles on the odometer, it boasts a clean title and an automatic transmission, making it a fantastic option for collectors or those looking to restore a classic. The custom paint adds a unique touch, enhancing its vintage appeal. This Buick LeSabre not only represents a piece of automotive history but also offers great restoration potential. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, visit the link in the description. Introducing the classic 1960 Ford F-250 long bed pickup, now available for just $5,000 in Englewood, Colorado. This vintage truck features a robust 6-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, making it a true workhorse. With only 50,000 miles on the odometer, it's in good condition and ready for a new owner. The truck has a clean title and passes emissions, though it does need a new clutch, which the seller has on hand. This F-250 is a fantastic project vehicle or a reliable driver as is. With its original straight-six engine and minor surface rust, it holds great restoration potential and historical value. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link in the description.